Taegeuk refers to the source of everything in the universe, and the universal law in which everything continuously goes through cycles of creation and destruction. POOMSAE Taegeuk symbolizes the root principle of universal philosophy and is constructed by applying the truth inherent in Taegeuk's yin and yang principles. Taegeuk Ijang stands for Tae of the 8 trigrams and symbolizes the pond, which looks soft on the outside but is strong on the inside. Taegeuk Ijang was designed for the student to train moves in succession, based on advancing the basic moves learned in Taegeuk Iljang. We will now take a look at the POOMSAE of Taegeuk Ijang. Taegeuk Ijang consists of one key move, 얼굴 지르기. We will now take a closer look at the key move of Taegeuk Ijang, 얼굴 지르기. 얼굴 지르기 is a move where you thrust your fist in a straight line toward the opponent's philtrum. Be careful not to let the elbow of your thrusting arm move outward. That was the key move of Taegeuk Ijang. We will now connect the moves in succession and take a closer look at each one. The key moves of Taegeuk Ijang, first part, consist of 왼 아래막기, 오른 지르기, 오른 아래막기, 왼 지르기, 오른 안막기, and 왼 안막기. When moving the center of your body forward during 앞서기 아래막기, control your breath, lower your body and set forward. Then thrust your body with 앞굽이. The moment the foot setting forward touches the ground, complete the 지르기 simultaneously with the move and breath. When setting your right foot forward during 오른 안막기, breathe in while moving the center of your body to your left foot. Remove any unnecessary force from both feet and seek the body's optimal condition to perform the 오른 앞서기 and 왼 안막기 afterwards. Cautions for Taegeuk Ijang, first part, taking a closer look. Your torso and arms must spin simultaneously. Move the center of your body and breathe in once the move is complete and remove any unnecessary force from your muscles. We will now practice the moves of Taegeuk Ijang, first part, in succession slowly while watching the video. The key moves of Taegeuk Ijang, second part, consist of 왼 아래막기, 오른 앞차기, and 오른 지르기. 오른 아래막기, 왼 앞차기, and 왼 지르기. 왼 얼굴막기, and 오른 얼굴막기. The connection of 앞차기 and 지르기 should be made so the momentum gained after the 앞차기 folds the kicking leg, resulting in a natural connection with 지르기. When connecting 얼굴막기 and the next 얼굴막기, the elbow of the arm that protected the face should come down first, and the first placed on the waist should be raised so your arms will be crossed at the chest and ready to perform the 얼굴막기. Cautions for Taegeuk Ijang, second part, taking a closer look. Be careful not to let your leg rise above your head when performing 앞차기. It is important that the move connects naturally to 지르기. Be careful not to let the natural flow be broken. We will now practice the moves of Taegeuk Ijang, second part in succession slowly while watching the video. The key moves of Taegeuk Ijang, third part, consist of Oren Anmaki and Wen Anmaki. From the Orgul Maki, shift your weight on your right foot, spin 270 degrees, and perform Dora Dikki. When connecting Anmaki, Anmaki, and Dora Dikki, shift your weight on your left foot and spin. Your right arm should face the direction of progress. Spin the pelvis, which is the center axis, then perform Anmaki with the left arm. Cautions for Taegeuk Ijang, third part, taking a closer look. Be careful not to raise your right leg too much when performing Dora Dikki. We will now practice the moves of Taegeuk Ijang, third part in succession slowly while watching the video. The key moves of Taegeuk Ijang, fourth part, consist of Wen Aremaki, Oren Apchagi, and Oren Jirugi, Wen Apchagi, and Wen Jirugi, Oren Apchagi, and Oren Jirugi. The three Apchagi and Jirugi moves must all be performed in succession. Pay close attention to the connection of each move. Cautions for Taegeuk Ijang, fourth part, taking a closer look. The target for Apchagi is in the front, and be careful not to kick above your head. We will now practice the moves of Taegeuk Ijang, fourth part in succession slowly while watching the video. This concludes training for Taegeuk Ijang. We will take another look at the moves and master POOMSAE. We have looked at the key moves of Taegeuk Ijang and provided thorough explanations for each move and things to watch out for. You will be able to master the correct and delicate details of the moves if you train with the meaning of Taegeuk Ijang in mind and focus on strengthening its inner contents. We will see you again in the Taegeuk Samjang video. Thanks for watching.